You need to install the Matrix Code font. The link is in the description. Download and install it. First, go to the Effects panel, then the toolbox, and select Effects. Drag the Fusion composition onto the timeline. Once that's done, switch to the Fusion page. Now go to the Effects panel, then Templates, and search for Matrix. Drag and drop the Matrix effect onto the node graph. Connect the output of the Matrix node to the input of Media Out 1. Make sure that the viewing option is enabled. Next, go to Inspector. You can adjust the density, depth, render width, and render height to your preference. Double-click on the Matrix node, and also double-click on the Text node to open the inspector. In the text preferences, you can change the text color. To customize the font, change it to Matrix Code NFI that we installed before. After that, go to the inspector and select Modifiers, then adjust the randomness as desired. If you'd like to remove the zoom effect, select the Camera 3D node and disable it. After this, switch to the Edit page. Select the Fusion composition clip, then go to the Inspector and Video settings. Change the composite mode to Overlay. Drag the Fusion clip to the upper timeline. Now, go to the Effects panel and search for Solid Color. Drag and drop the solid color onto the timeline, placing it below the Fusion clip, and adjust it accordingly. In the inspector, go to the Video tab, then Generator, and change the color to green. After that, go to the inspector again, then the Video tab and Settings. Change the composite mode to Color Burn, and adjust the opacity to control the intensity of the filter.